The Dukascopy Forex community is once again proving to be attracted to traders from all over the world. Over 1,000 members in the Traders Contest and more than 200 in the Strategy Contest are all here to win some cash prizes and learn about Forex at the same time. This week we had a very interesting presentation from Article Contest member Robert Brick. Robert won May's Article Contest with his outstanding performance, and here's a clip of his presentation on how much money traders expect to make per month.
We would love to hear about your most recent article.
Sure. I guess I need some help from a moderator there, but effectively I'm not just going to be presenting the article, especially if somebody's read it. I'm just going to use the article as a base, and then I'm going to expand with some other interesting information. So the article is about a survey that was made at a webinar that I attended a few years ago, and there were about 1,500 attendees, and we started with a survey, and I'm going to give you the survey results, and then we're going to see where this is going to lead us. So can I get, actually, the survey was obviously a number of questions, and we'll see the answers, and then we'll continue. The first question was to all the traders, and mind you, there are many traders there, not all Forex traders, so also many retirees with huge accounts. And this is the answer to the question to how much money do you have. If you can see here, there are people who have enough of plenty, more than half, but there's about 1 in 4 actually can't make ends meet, and they come to trading to improve their financial position, which is a little bit scary. The second question was how much capital can you use for trading, which effectively means how large is going to be your trading accounts, and if we can show the results of that. The answers are here. You can see, and you shouldn't be surprised there, that there are quite a few answers with people who have, are going to have large accounts, because I said there were retired people there with their investment funds and obviously trading with not this kind of leverage that we have in Forex and all that. And then it was this third question that was how much money do you want to make from trading per month, effectively the return on investment, and if we can show the results. Here are the answers. Now, basically, in order to make any sense out of all this, I did a linear interpolation, because I didn't have the exact number of who answered what and which traders answered what. But with this linear interpolation, I calculated that the 65% of traders with large accounts, they have on average about 50,000 in their account, and they want to make about 14% per month. Now, the traders with smaller accounts, they have on average about 3,600 in their accounts and want to make about 33% per month. And let's look at the funds. Now, here is the index of hedge funds, and if you know hedge funds have a lot of money. And they employ very smart people, PhDs in mathematics, applied physics, they've got supercomputers, you name it, they've got it. But if you look there in historical performance, in 2011, on average, hedge funds were negative. And if you look at the performance of hedge funds for the past 3 years, they make about 3 or 4% per year. They are even close to the numbers that we are talking about, and if we recall, the traders want to make 33% per month, which is a far. So there's a big discrepancy. There was another question in this survey, and the question was, this was the fourth question, and the fourth question was, how much of the capital are you prepared to lose? And here are the answers. On this last slide, if we can have a look at it, the answer to the question, how much you prepare, and this is not a joke, I didn't invent this, you've got 1 in 4 traders saying that he's not prepared to lose money. And you've got almost half, if you look at that, who are not prepared to lose much. And this is the psychology of people. So if you go, and now you look at the hedge fund, or any investment fund actually, you know, investment fund, pension funds, and imagine that they say, oh, listen, people, we are going to go for 1,000% this month. we are just going to go 5% per trade. I mean, the leverage is going to be incredible. You just need to survive a potential drawdown of 75%.
Live webinars take place every working day to provide you with more insight into the world of Forex trading. If you would like to participate in any of our webinars, please contact us. All details are on our website. Now, traders enter every trade with the intention of making a profit. So let's now see who's been making pips this week. Ois from Russia stuck to his own currency for this trade. The position was held open for a day and he made a massive 6,753 pips on the US dollar Russian ruble. Striped Cat 07 profited 171 pips on the euro US dollar. He entered the trade at the market opening level on Sunday and had a good eye in catching the euro's 1.5% loss throughout Monday. Arabian Hawk entered the euro-yen trade at market opening and closed it manually right before the pair hit support at the 99.80 level. The trader made 125 pips as the euro lost against all major currencies on Monday. Bellman entered the trade while the US dollar Swiss franc was side trading before it rocketed off above the 0.95 level. The trader gained 112 pips. Well, it's now time for the movers and shakers, where we'll see who has been hitting their take profit and who hasn't been setting their stop loss tight enough. Well, FX Extreme shot up 50 places this week, and Zara Marian also climbed up the standings, bringing her closer to the top 10. On the flip side, a positive nickname like Win007 didn't bring much luck to the trader this week. He dropped out of the top 10 and currently sits in 69th place. Well, that's all for now. Good luck trading and goodbye.